Miss Anna. Come on, Miss Anna. Come on.
At the last challenge, Jeff told us that there's a hidden immunity idol clue somewhere at camp. No one is looking for it. So I decided
Come on, Miss Anna.
to see if I can. Whether there's a target in my back, I don't know. But I would feel more comfortable if I had it in my pocket. What's going on?
Miss Anna.
I'm
Come on.
Thank you. You do? If she do have it, she'll tell me she has it. One particular tree looked very interesting, and it had a lot of ins and outs and crevices and little hiding areas.
Go ahead in, Goober.
Out of the corner of my eye, something looked just out of place. A stick wouldn't grow in this one particular area. I said,
Watch
"That's
out,
so
go.
weird." And I went back to look at it. And
Where'd he
I found
go?
a clue.
Where's your brother?
Near the jungle, somewhere by the beach. The important thing to realize, it is just barely out of reach. I'm freaking out. I have to focus. I have to refocus. Because now I have this clue and I don't know what to do. Do I tell them? Do I not tell them? I don't know what to do.
Hey, Miss Anna. Look who was hiding in the bed.
Come on in, guys. Polu getting your first look at the new Savai tribe. Semhar voted out
Miss
for the
Anna.
tribal council. Upolo, you walked in and everybody had something in their mouth. You're putting it back in right now, even as I'm asking you. Jeff, we found some Pandera this morning, and it's the most delicious fruit. What's the message you're clearly trying to send to Savai? Team that eats Pandera together sticks together and wins together. All right, let's get to it. First things first. I will take back the immunity idol. Once again, immunity is back up for grabs. For today's challenge, 4 members of each tribe will race long ribbons from a very tall pole, releasing a key ring.
Come on out.
Use those keys to release the other 4 tribe members. Together, moving very heavy crates back and forth across the platform until you can release the largest one. First tribe with their largest unfinished platform wins immunity, is safe from tribal council. In addition, we're playing for a reward. I know sleeping on bamboo is not the nicest. Hopefully the reward will make it a little better. Comfort. We've got pillows, blankets, a hammock, and a mat. Worth playing for? Oh, yeah. In addition, the winning tribe will receive a clue to the location
Get him.
of a hidden immunity island. Upolo, you have 1 extra member.
Go
Send
get
one
him.
person out. Who's it gonna be?
Where are you going?
What if you guys decide as a team? That's what you think.
Say that now. And take a spot on the bench. Everybody else get ready to strategize. And we'll get started. All right, on the pole for Savai, Cochran, Don,
Get him.
Whitney, and Elise.
Get
On
him.
the pole for Upolu, Stacy,
Get him, Miss Anna.
Sophie,
Get him.
Christine, and Michaela. Here we go. For immunity and reward. Survivors ready. Go.
Get him.
Gotta untie the 4 knots and then start working together. Polo off to a
Get him.
fast start. These ribbons are braided on this
Get him,
pole.
Miss Anna.
You gotta
Get him.
figure out how to unbraid them. Savai having trouble. Get rhythm, get rhythm, get rhythm, get
Hey,
rhythm.
Goober.
Polo working well together. Over Cochran. Cochran getting caught up in a ribbon. Pull it out, Cochran. Pull it out. Polo with a bit of a lead in this first stage. Trying to release a key.
Get him.
Polo has the key.
Get him.
Stacy has it. Stacy's got to unlock the 4 other tribe members. Savai still
Are you farting?
Key release. Focus, guys. You guys got it. It's all right. Oh, that's it. Stacy has her tribe unleashed. Start working the puzzle.
Come on, guys. Let's go back.
All right, this way.
Alright, I guess you're done. See you later, Goose.
Here you go. Don has the key for survive.
Alright, that's it.